Hello everyone, my name is Avinash. Now I am going to explain about requirement analysis. Requirement analysis is carried out after gathering requirements in the elicitation phase. Requirement analysis is an activity which is performed iteratively during the course of the ware development. In requirement analysis, we analyze stakeholders' needs, constraints, assumptions, qualifications, and other information relevant to the proposed system and organize them in a systematic manner. Organizing requirements helps to refine and define them in a clear and unambiguous manner. Requirement analysis is performed in several iterations with elicitation to clarify requirement, resolve conflicts, and ensure their correctness and completeness. Requirement analysis includes various activities such as classification, organization, prioritization, negotiation, and modeling requirements. Generally, customers are not aware of technical needs and constraints. Therefore, they provide requirements in the order they are thinking in their minds. Thus, these requirements are classified into different functions and finally organized into coherent clusters of modules. Some of these requirements are more important than others. Therefore, requirements prioritization is performed using the time boxing approach, which provides ordering of execution of modules without getting over budget and without getting late. Prioritization is done by the system analyst, users, and developers. Prioritization requirements means categorizing requirements from the standpoint of importance into essential requirements, usable requirements, and desirable requirements. Changing requirements during software development influences the budget and schedule of the other requirements. Conflicting requirements due to the involvement of various stakeholders are finalized through negotiation. The draft requirements are analyzed to verify the correctness and completeness. Finally, requirements are formalized into a systematic manner using the modeling techniques. Activities involved in software requirement analysis. Software requirement means requirement that is needed by software to increase quality of software product. These requirements are generally a type of expectation of user from software product that is important and needed to be fulfilled by software. Analysis means to examine something in an organized and specific manner to know complete details about it. Therefore, software requirement analysis simply means study, analyzing, describing software requirements so that requirements that are genuine and needed can be fulfilled to solve problems. There are several activities involved in analyzing software requirements. Some of them are given below: review, problem recognition, evaluation and synthesis, modeling, specification. Problem recognition. The main aim of requirement analysis is to fully understand main objective of requirement that includes why it is needed, does it add value to product, will it be beneficial, does it increase quality of the project, does it will have any other effect. All these points are fully recognized in problem recognition so that requirements that are essential can be fulfilled to solve business problems. Evaluation and synthesis. Evaluation means judgment about something, whether it is worth or not, and the synthesis means to create or form something. Here are some tasks given that is important in the evaluation and synthesis of software requirement. To define all functions of software that necessary, to define all data objects that are present externally and are easily observable, to evaluate that flow of data is worth or not, to fully understand overall behavior of system, that means overall working of system, to identify and discover constraints that are designed, to define and establish character of system interface, to fully understand how system interacts with two or more components or with one another. Modeling. After complete gathering of information from about task, functional and behavior models are established after checking function and behavior of system using a domain model, that also known as conceptual model. Specification. The software requirement specification, which means to specify the requirement whether it is functional or non-functional, should be developed. Review. After developing the SRS, it must be reviewed to check whether it can be improved or not and must be refined to make it better and increase the quality. During requirement analysis, models are prepared to analyze the requirements. The following analysis techniques are generally used for the modeling of requirements: structured analysis, data-oriented analysis, object-oriented analysis, prototype analysis.